Welcome everyone in today's video of Quick Guide.
In this tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how you can log in as an employee in the Hyatt Connect website. For this, you need to search for the Hyatt Connect employee login in the search bar of Google. As you can see, there are many search results. Click on this Hyatt Connect first link and you will be redirected to the login page of the Hyatt Connect. As you can see, you have to put on your email, phone or Skype ID for sign in. Let me put the sign in email as tempuser@gmail.com. And if you can't access your account, you can click on this can't access your account. You can also sign in with different options. Click on the sign in options. You can sign in with PIN security key, or you can sign in with your GitHub account also. If your account is linked with GitHub, click on this sign in with GitHub link, and you have to fill your account of GitHub which is linked to your Hyatt Connect employee account, and you simply fill this form with username and password and simply click on this sign in button, and if all the credentials are correct, you'll be signed in as an employee in Hyatt Connect. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.